Anomaly, irregularity. An anomaly in a person's heartbeat should be investigated by a physician. Because Fred had always come to work on time, his boss regarded it as an anomaly when he arrived an hour late one day. Antagonism, actively expressed hostility. According to psychologists, some antagonism between siblings is natural as each child seeks parental affection and approval. Jason knew that he might antagonize his history teacher if he criticized her teaching methods, but he decided that he had no choice because he wasn't learning much in the class. Antidote, medicine to counteract a poison or disease, something that relieves a harmful effect. Researchers are trying to find an antidote for the common cold, but so far they have had only limited success. Doctors often say that the best antidote for most human ills is time. Antiquated, old-fashioned, obsolete. Some famous writers prefer to use an antiquated typewriter rather than a computer. Most people regard the phonograph as an example of an antiquated technology. Apathy, lack of interest or concern. Apathy about social and political issues often occurs when people feel that these issues do not directly concern them. After many years of trying without success to become manager, Harry became apathetic about striving to get ahead in his career. Appease, pacify or soothe, relieve. The candy bar that Sharon ate appeased her hunger. In order to appease the angry voters, Congress voted to reduce taxes. Apprehension, fearful anticipation of the future, dread. The students facing the test are full of apprehension because their future depends on how well they perform on it. Many people are filled with apprehension when they have to speak before a large group of people. Arbitrary, determined by chance or a whim, not by necessity, reason, or principle. Based on or subject to individual judgment or preference. Judges who make arbitrary rulings can be removed from office. Mr. Jones chose students for the class debate in an arbitrary manner. He selected every fifth person on the class roster. Archaic, ancient, out of date. The typewriter is regarded by many people today as an archaic form of technology. Students often complain that they have trouble understanding Shakespeare's English because it is archaic. Ardent, intense, passionate, zealous. Even the most ardent supporters of freedom of speech believe there must be some limitations on what people are allowed to say. Ardent Democrats and Republicans usually vote for the persons nominated by their parties.